I'm recording. Is this your birthday present? Who's this one from? Who's it from? Here. Take that away. Oh, what's that? Ribbons? I bet you Aunt Claudette bought you clothes. How much do you want to bet? Oh, that doesn't feel like clothes. Which one? This one? Here we go. Here, Mo. Pull. Pull. And the ugly doll. Ugly doll. Do you like him, Mo? Say thank you, Aunt Claudette and Uncle Stephen and Ellie and Emma, Cousin Ellie and Emma. Yeah, one more. Here it is. What's in there, Mo? What is it? Daddy, what is it?
It's your own phone.
Oh, yeah. Is it better than mine?
Probably.
Oh.
8, 4, 3, 7.
And the song.
7 eggs.
That's cool. Do you love it? Best present ever? I don't know. Did you see Brian's? That's an awfully big box over there. We haven't opened that one yet. That one's next. "110 ways to lose a child's finger." 1. Luckily, he's a rocket scientist and he can figure out how to open these packaging. Because it's not rocket science, you know. It's just mere brain surgery.
Hurt near.
Yep, lost attention. You wanna come say hi? Ribbons are good. Oh.
Talk on the phone.
Talk on the phone? Who are you gonna talk to?
7, 2, 6, 1. 1 puppy. That's me. 0, 0, 0 puppy biscuit.